Okay, hey there guys, how's it going? And today we are talking about the Lasko rotisserie white rotisserie fan. Yeah, the Lasko fan here. This is a pretty good fan. It gives off a lot of wind, and I had it for quite a while now. Actually, it gets really hot over where I live in California here, and it really gets hot in the summertime like it is right now. I mean, I'm talking like triple digits sometimes, and a lot of times people don't want to use their air conditioning because you don't want to pay that bill, right? So they'll go out and get little personal fans. This is not a personal fan. I would say personal fans are the little tiny ones, but they'll get these little home fans to kind of take the little oomph off that heat, So this is a good fan. I've used it for a long time now, and it stands pretty tall, and it's adjustable here. You can raise it up or down to this is the highest it goes, and then if you lower this down, this goes all the way down to here. Yeah, you can make it really short. It has 3-speed controls. See back there, 1, 2, 3, and off is the 0. And this little device here, when you push it down, it will turn. It will move. Let me show you. If I turn it on to the first level, like that, and this is down. So this makes it turn. Yeah, and it oscillates. And it will cool down the entire room. It makes really nice, cool wind. Yeah, I like it a lot. It's really good. It's not very loud. Turns very smoothly. I had one of these a long time ago because I think it also comes in black, but I had another white one that got damaged because it got wet. And I forget how, but I think water spilled on the little motor part in the back. But after that, it didn't turn very well after that. This one I've had for probably a good 2.5 years now, and it's still working fine. I store it away in the garage here for the duration of the winter and the cooler months. But now I really need it because it's really warm. But yeah, it's fairly quiet and it does a really good job. And now, I mean, it's giving off a really good wind right now, and it's only on its lowest setting. It works really well in bedrooms. I think it's a little much for smaller than, like, say, a bedroom. Like, you wouldn't want to put it in your bathroom or anything like that. It'd be a little bit strong. But yeah, this works really well. I also have one in my living room. Keeps us nice and cool there instead of using our air conditioning. But yeah, it's really good. Really good. Has a very long cord. I believe it's like a little over 6 feet, the cord. Really makes for a good gift too. I mean, for people who live in places like where I come from and where I live. Yeah, I believe this fan also comes in black. The black one would be nice too. I don't really have any downside to it because any problem I've ever had with this fan is pretty much because of my own doing. It didn't break or stop turning or anything like that on its own. It kind of just started to fail because of my own negligence or something like that. But it stands really sturdy. This part is really, really strong. Get it? It comes in pieces, so you'll have to put it together, but it's very simple. It doesn't take much at all to slap all these pieces together. You're done in probably about 15 minutes, you know. Very simple. It's a very, very good fan. I like it a lot. Anybody who wants to save some money on, you know, their cooling bills during the summer should go out and get one of these. Really good fan. Really, really good. Yeah. I hope to have it for another 2 years without any problem. Okay. Well, this is the Lasko rotating fan, rotisserie fan in white, standing very tall. I like it a lot. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you really enjoyed this this talk, and next time I'll see you soon. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.